Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So hope you're very fit and fine. May Allah Almighty keep laughing, keep smiling, keep sharing in the same way. Amin. It's stunning and good looking designs, and this video is all about the crochet granny skewer designs. Crochet granny skewer videos we are uploaded for you, just looking amazing and fantastic videos of these amazing elegance ideas and different topics, different designs are using different patterns of skewers. Granny skewer videos will be amazing, just looking like a fantastic videos, ideas and more amazing ideas. It's fantastic designs, keep more fabulous, keep more stunning and more creative videos are share with you. Its granny skewer videos are uploaded for you, and granny skewer are used in different blankets, curtains, bed sheets and different totally crochet things like macrames are used in granny skewer. It's amazing and good looking designs of granny skewer related videos are uploaded for you. I have shared with newly designs, newly attractive videos. You will stay connected with our channel. There will be amazing and gorgeous videos of granny skewers. Granny skewer are using different patterns, different colors combination and different shapes for many things, many attractive designs. I have shared with you newly designs, newly trending videos of granny skewers. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members are using different things, different designs of ideas in crochet. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, in these attractive and stunning designs, keep more attractive, keep more amazing videos. So let's go, inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So hope you're very fit and fine.